Now if we switch back to our Azure portal and go to the Mango restaurant, let's go to the topic. We have the topic which is order update payment result topic. At this point the payment will be successful and we are notifying the order that payment was successful. If you take a look, we have a subscription here which is Mango order subscription. We want to create a new subscription here, but let me go back. Inside the app settings, we gave that a name of email subscription. Let me copy that and create a new subscription with that name. Max delivery count, let me keep it as 4 and let me create. So on the topic of order update payment result topic, we have two subscription. Let me copy this name and we switch back. Let me paste it here. Yep, that was the same. Just make sure because these are magic strings. The subscription name is good and the endpoint is still the same. Now let's focus on Azure Service Bus Consumer. We do not need the message bus, so let me remove everything that we are not using. We have the connection string that we will use, then the subscription, we will change that to subscription email and we will populate that as well. So subscription email. Let's go to app settings. The key name is subscription name. Make sure to change that. Next thing is the topic name. So topic name, I believe it's the same, which is order update payment result topic. Let me paste and make sure. We'll remove the other two. We don't need them. Let's go to the top and remove the other two topic as well. We do not need the order repository. We will need email repository. Let me call this as _email repo. Copy this and configure the dependency injection as well. We'll remove the message bus here. And perfect. We don't need the message bus. Let me remove that. And we do not need two processor. The only processor that we need is the order update payment status processor. On this processor, we want to trigger the email sending functionality. So with that, let's scroll down. We create a client with the connection string. We do not need the checkout processor. And on this processor, we are passing the order update payment result topic. And we need the subscription name, which is in subscription email. We do not need these three. We only need to add the method. The name here, we can keep it the same because we have a payment update. On that, we want to send an email. On stop, we need to remove the other processor and we need to update the method here. We need the NuGet package for JSON convert. Let me install that. And then when you deserialize here, what will be the object type? That will be the update payment result message. We will add that and include the using statement. So we will deserialize that. Then we need to call the email repository. So let me remove everything else here, leave the try catch block, and inside the try catch block we will say await _email repo dot send and log email. Here we need to pass the message. Let me call this as obj message. We can give it a more meaningful name, but that's okay for now. So we are logging that and we are marking that as complete. That looks great. Now let's see everything in action in the next video.